Are you looking for the best body trimmers? Body grooming has moved well beyond a simple utility task into a dedicated category where comfort, skin sensitivity, and versatility matter as much as raw cutting power. For many men and equally safety-conscious users, a quality growing or body trimmer is essential for personal hygiene, confidence, and routine maintenance. In this review, I evaluate 5 popular models across a price. Product number 1. Olav Electric Body Hair Trimmer. Overview. The Olav trimmer is positioned as a body and below-the-waist grooming tool with replaceable ceramic blade heads, a USB recharge dock, and waterproof design. It emphasizes skin-friendly ceramic blades and 2 trimming guards to vary hair lengths, aiming to minimize pulling in sensitive areas. At $29.88, it sits squarely in the budget tier while promising a shower-friendly experience and a rechargeable format. Performance-wise, the ceramic blades are designed to reduce tugging and irritation, which is particularly beneficial for groin and bikini line work. The 2 guards support moderate length control, but the lack of explicit longitudinal blade geometry details, for example, blade pitch, foil versus blade combo, means you should expect a safe, not aggressively fast trim. Real-world use favors dry to wet flexibility and quick cleanup thanks to waterproofing. Overall ergonomics are modestly comfortable, though the price-conscious build may not feel premium after repeated use. Pros and cons below summarize practical considerations for potential buyers. Product number 2. Philips Norelco Multigroom Series. Overview. The Norelco Multigroom 5000 MG591049 is a comprehensive 18-piece kit designed to handle beard, head, body, and intimate hair. It uses titanium-coated steel self-sharpening blades that claim long-term sharpness with minimal maintenance, plus a robust lithium-ion battery offering up to 3 hours of runtime. The package includes a wide-body trimmer attachment and multiple guards for body and groin grooming, making it a flexible solution for users seeking a single-tool approach. In practice, the long run time and detachable blades and guards simplify routine maintenance and cleaning. Blades rinse under running water, guards detach easily, and the grease in the trimmer head is noted to ensure consistent performance. The main caveat is the absence of an included power adapter, USB-A charging cable only, which may impact travel charging setups. For users who want a versatile, all-in-one. Product number 3. Body Hair Trimmer for Men. Overview. The Legicozy trimmer targets full-body versatility with a ceramic blade system, a built-in 4000K LED spotlight, and a 90-minute cordless runtime powered by USB-C charging. It ships with 3 guard combs and emphasizes a bump-free, irritation-minimizing shave across sensitive areas like groin and underarms. The model includes a USB-C charging dock and a waterproof design suitable for wet-dry use. The user experience centers on visibility and control. The LED spotlight helps you see contours clearly, reducing the risk of nicks, while the ceramic blade and high-torque motor deliver smooth, confident trims. The built-in battery indicator provides status updates, which adds convenience for travel. The integrated charging base and travel locks support on-the-go use, though the 90-minute runtime means you'll want to plan charging during long. Product number 4. Body Hair Trimmer for Men. Overview. The LG-TGH model distinguishes itself with a built-in mirror and LED light, a 90-minute battery life, and an IPX7 waterproofing rating. It uses ceramic blades and offers 3, 6, 9mm guard options, addressing grooming across back, chest, groin, and leg regions. The inclusion of a travel lock and a dedicated display keeps track of battery status and makes it attractive for users who value visibility and travel readiness. From a user experience perspective, the mirror and light are the standout usability feature, enabling precise trimming in dim environments or while shaving in the shower. The IPX7 waterproofing supports robust wet-dry use, and the ergonomic grip helps maintain control on tricky areas. However, as a premium option at $39.99, it competes with feature-rich kits and may feel redundant for users who already own a more comprehensive trimmer. Pros and cons are provided below.
Product number 5. ManSpot Manscaped Groin. Overview. The ManSpot Manscaped Trimmer emphasizes a high safety experience with anti-cut blade technology and a high-power motor. It includes 4 guards, 1.5mm, 3mm, 3 to 6mm, 9 to 12mm, replaceable ceramic blade heads, and a waterproof design promising up to 20 uses per charge. The kit targets a premium Manscaped experience with a consumer-friendly claim of comfort and control in sensitive areas. In use, the aerospace-grade blade claim and guard variety enable close to moderate trims with clear guard-driven length control, particularly useful for groin, bikini, and underarm grooming. The advertised 20 use per charge metric suggests efficient energy management, though real-world battery life may vary with blade load and motor duty. The waterproofing supports shower trimming, easy cleaning, and prolonged tool life. Pros and cons are listed below to help guide buying decisions.